Good morning, it's John Tryon here, volunteer at the Ontario Regiment Museum. We're on day 4 of our engine swap project here for the Dozer 113. Last weekend we finished up where we had the engine in, the hull top buttoned up, the lower end connections done. We still have oil to top up and coolant, and I'm just in the finishing process of mounting the hydraulic pump to the back side of the engine. So we've got it buttoned up. We've had the engine running, coolant, fluid checks all check out. We have a small air pocket in the hydraulic system that we have to work the bugs out, which we'll do one more time. We'll finish buttoning all the covers up, take it out for a test drive, and I don't know, grade the driveway or dig a hole with it or do something to make certain that everything's working as we want. Other than that, the job is done. It's not the prettiest vehicle in the collection, but it is useful with the dozer blade. This is John Tryon from the Ontario Regiment Museum. Thanks. If you like our videos, please like us down below and subscribe to the channel, and please feel free to check us out on our webpage. And like all museums out there, we're struggling right now, so hit the gift shop. There's lots of stuff there for young and old, tank enthusiasts, birthdays, Christmas is coming, all that good stuff. Thank you. Have a nice day.